Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of Core Python Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python strings with indexes. So first of all, what are strings in Python? So string is a collection of characters, any characters in Python. So the definition goes like this: collection of characters which are represented in single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes. For example, hello in single quote, welcome to Python in double quotes. And we can also use triple single quotes, triple double quotes to represent multi-line string in a Python program. And for strings, Python provides indexes to each character in it. For example, SS. SS is equals to hello. So here the indexes are 0, H, 1, E, L, 2, L2, O is 4. So this is forward direction, left to right indexes. So this is forward indexes. Okay. So now these indexes generally range from 0 to n minus 1. And using indexes, we can access the characters of any string individually. And this is done using slicing operator or slice operator, which is square brackets. SS of 0, H, SS of 1, E, SS of 2, L, SS of 3, L, SS of 4 is O, HELLO. Now, Python also provides negative indexes or backward indexes which range from -1 to -n, right to left. So these are backward indexes. So if I take the same example, SS hello, the indexes will be -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, HELLO. So H is -5 and O is -1, and we can access them using slice operator. SS of -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. So this is forward indexes 0 to n minus 1 and backward indexes, which is -n to -1 or -1 to -n, right to left. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. So take a new page. First write comments at the beginning of the program. So I'm taking SS hello string, which contains 5 characters. So coming to the forward indexes, first to last, SS of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, HELLO. And coming to the backward indexes, last to first, SS of -1, O, -2, L, -3, L, -4, E, -5, H, OLLEH. So save this program in your working directory. Come to the prompt where you have saved this program and run it. So first to last, it is hello, HELLO, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Last to first, it is OLLEH, -1 to -5. So this is how strings provide indexes in Python programming. So it supports both forward indexes as well as backward indexes. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.